Find the slope-intercept equation of the line that passes through the points 4, 1 and 6, -2. Okay, so we're asked to find the equation of the line, which means we need to use the point slope formula, right? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Right? This is called the point slope formula for a reason, right? Because we need to know the point on the line, we need to know the slope of the line, and then we can plug those in. Okay. Now you notice, well, we're not given the slope, right? We're just given 2 points. Okay, but that's okay, right? Because we can use the slope formula, right? We know m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? So as we've learned, as long as you know 2 points on the line, we should be able to find the slope. Okay, so instead of actually drawing this out and sort of just counting, we'll just use a formula here. Okay, so we'll call this one x1 and y1, and we'll call this one x2 and y2, and then we'll just plug these values in. Okay, so we get -2 minus 1, and on the denominator we'll get 6 minus 4. Okay, so -2 minus 1 is -3. We get 2 down here, right? So the slope is -3 over 2. So now that we have the slope, right, we can plug that in for the m value here. And the point is we're just going to use x1 and y1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, right? Y minus 1 is equal to -3 over 2 times x minus 4. Okay. Now at this point we should stop, right, and read the question again. We want to find the slope-intercept equation of the line. Okay, so that means, right, that we want to solve this equation for y. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's the slope-intercept form. So make sure you know what all 3 forms of the line are. Okay, so since they're asking for the slope-intercept form, right, let's just go ahead, distribute everything, and then add the 1 back at the end, right? So y minus 1 is equal to -3 over 2x. And -3 over 2 times -4 gives us +6. And for the last step, we can just add the 1 to both sides. Okay? And what do we end up with here? Y equals -3 over 2x plus 7. Okay, so because they're asking for the slope-intercept equation of the line, right, we went ahead and solved for y, right? So this should be our final answer.